1985, along with the love of his life, Leslie. We're going to get a benefit together for the passing. Roy passed away this past April, and a lot of great musicians and all his friends are getting together for the Roy and Leslie Condwell family fundraiser. Again, this time.